you doing, girl? Ashley's over here, girl. That is a truck buried by snow. This is our first significant snowstorm this year. It's October 28th, I think. Or 29th. No, it's the 28th. Anyway, we've gotten a good amount of snow. This is the second day. I think it might have stopped. But I'll try to... It's kind of hard to see. That's Willow. And then see our big pile of snow? Right there. And we got some icicles on the house because we don't have any gutters. Oh wait, no, it's October 29th. Why don't you get the sleds?
Huh?
Get the sled.
What?
Yeah. Hey honey, you having fun?
No.
Snowing, yeah. That's a big hill of snow. Willow, stay here, girl. This is our front yard. You can't really tell we have bushes.
Alright, come here, buddy. Alright, you need to hold on with both hands, okay?
Hey, Willow.
Okay? Hold on tight. Whoa! Come on, buddy. You can do it.
The snow's all the way up to Nathan's knees and Cayenne's waist. Come on, Ashes.
You want to get on it?
Oh, oh. They wipe his face off.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh, is it cold? Oops. Sorry.
He's cold now.
Yeah.
Do we have a hat for him?
Yeah?
He needs a toboggan on.
Okay.